Today's the day. I waited my whole life for you, and the moment I get to show the whole world how much you mean to me.
I know what I wanted in a woman, but I never really believed that I would find someone who would check all of the boxes and be able to check the boxes I didn't even know were there. You're what gets me through each and every day, and there's nothing I want more than to provide the best quality of life for you and our future family.
I love you so much. I can't wait to marry you, and babe, we pulled it off. Destination wedding. I love you, Maddie K, your wifey.
Everything will work out because it always does. It may take a crazy path on the way, but we will get what we need where we need to go, and we will do all of that together, and Mr. and Mrs.